Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating my signature full Delco system conversion, which in this case is a full Buick system conversion. We have an original Buick AM radio and the original 8-Track, and it is now an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth. And the 8-Track is much brighter sounding and has all brand new electronics as well. So we're ready to test everything out and make sure it works before we send her back. So let's turn on. I believe I have the radio set to FM at the moment. And now I just had to figure out why it's not working. Okay, what have I done here? Alrighty, got to keep the songs real short, so I have all the presets set to stations in my area. A little sampling of the FM, and now we'll switch to AM, which on this model we switch between AM and FM by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on, and now we're on AM, and we make it two real weak stations around here. You can kind of almost hear one there. Okay, so they're not coming in very well right now, so we'll just get one strong one around the center here.
Mistakes made. Understandable. It was a novel coronavirus. We didn't know much about it.
Strong AM station, and while we have it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate the virtual balance and fader control. The unit now has a left-right balance control and a front-rear fader. This is all contained in the tone control. To activate the front-rear fader, we give our tone control 2 turns to the right. So first thing I'm going to do is rotate it to the center so I've got room to rotate it, and we're going to try activating the virtual front-rear fader.
Here's the thing. Even
Oops,
the CDC guidance,
that's not enough
CDC
travel.
Says that if you're vaccinated, you still have to wear a
fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. So now we'll go to our meters so we can see what we're doing, and we are now using the same tone control to adjust the front-rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear,
even if you're vaccinated.
all the way front,
perfectly okay.
rear.
They say that
Okay,
in
I'm
a doctor's
going to
office
center them,
that you're supposed to
stop
still wear a mask
adjusting,
even if you're
and
Fader set.
fader is set.
this is all
Okay, so now we're going to try the same thing with the balance control, except the same, we activate that by turning our tone control twice to the left. So let's try that.
Then what if unvaccinated people take
Balance adjust.
Okay, balance adjust. So now this tone control is adjusting your left-right balance.
Here. Nancy Pelosi said that she is not going to change the rules on the House
Okay, I'm going to stop
floor.
adjusting
Until
it.
everybody is vaccinated, I'm going to change the rules on the House floor. Why?
And
Everybody there's had the opportunity.
Balance set.
balance is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode just to make sure that that activates and is working properly. So we do that by rotating our volume control twice to the right.
Because the vaccines are available to everyone.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and I don't do all that on the videos. I just make sure that it works by going into pairing mode. And then now the last thing to check is the 8-Track function. So we've got some Neil Sedek here. Don't really need the meters anymore. So let's plug in an 8-Track.
Ridiculous. And so even the CDC's current standards make no sense.
Like I've never seen.
Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, I'm going to pull the tape out. And the radio comes back by itself. And last thing to check is the dial light, which you can see that turning on and off through the back of the radio as I press and release the button. So that takes care of all the testing. Oh, and incidentally, this unit also has my special input-output box, which has all of your left and right, front and rear preamp outputs if you want to use a big old huge external amplifier, subwoofer output, and then in this case the aux inputs are on the 8-Track itself. At my shop, you don't lose the radio's aux input just because you've got an 8-track that you want to use with it, because I also put an aux input on the 8-track, and anytime there's no tape inserted, your aux source will go straight to the radio. Now, the 8-track will simply send it onto the radio. So that takes care of the whole test. And I forgot to mention who this came from. This is from Mario in Linfield, Massachusetts. Thank you so much, Mario, for your business from clear across the country. This is out of a 70 Buick GS. So this is my full Buick system conversion, which falls under the umbrella of full Delco system conversion. This particular level of conversion, that is also converting the 8-track for optimum performance through the converter radio, is only available at Barry's 8-track repair, because it was it's my development, and no one else knows just how I do it. No one else knows what I use to replace the original 8-track electronics. So, that being stated, I am out of here. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching and listening.